iOS 17 hotspot not working, iOS 17 hotspot issue. So if you're having the hotspot issue on iOS 17, there could be a couple of reasons. So first of all, when you open settings, the personal hotspot could be grayed out. Now this usually happens when you have your Wi-Fi still turned on and connected. So hotspot only works for mobile data. It does not work for Wi-Fi so that you can share your Wi-Fi. But when you have your, let's say, mobile data enabled, then now you'll be able to see personal hotspot option, and then you'll be able to allow other people to join to your hotspot. So I hope that this video helped to clarify the question. As long as you have your Wi-Fi enabled, you will not be able to turn on a hotspot. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.